Safety Toolbox Talk Number 233. Environment Protection Act, 1986. The Environment Protection Act, 1986 is a key legislation in India aimed at protecting and improving the quality of the environment. Here are the main features and provisions of the Act. Objectives: protection of environment. The Act seeks to protect and improve the environment by coordinating the actions of the central government, state governments, and other authorities. Environmental clearance. It provides a framework for assessing the potential environmental impact of new projects, activities, or industries through an environmental impact assessment (EIA) process. Projects likely to have significant adverse impact on the environment require prior environmental clearance. Pollution control. It empowers the central government to take measures to prevent and control pollution, including air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Environment standards. The Act enables the central government to establish standards for emissions and discharge of pollutants from industries, automobiles, and other sources. Regulatory bodies. It establishes the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, at the central level and State Pollution Control Boards, SPCBs, at the state level to enforce the provisions of the Act and oversee environmental protection measures. Key provisions: regulation of industries. The Act regulates industries and industrial processes to ensure they comply with environmental standards and norms. Prohibition and restrictions. It provides for the prohibition and restriction of the handling of hazardous substances and substances that are likely to cause environmental pollution. Environmental Impact Assessment (EIA) projects involving industries, mining, infrastructure development, etc., are required to undergo an EIA to assess potential environmental impacts and suggest mitigation measures. Penalties and enforcement. The Act specifies penalties for contravention of its provisions, including fines and imprisonment. It empowers designated officers to inspect premises, take samples, and issue directions for compliance. Notification of ecologically sensitive areas. The Act allows for the notification of ecologically sensitive areas and imposes restrictions on certain activities in these areas to protect fragile ecosystems. Significance. The Environment Protection Act, 1986 is a comprehensive legislation that provides the legal framework for environmental protection in India. It complements other environmental laws and regulations by providing overarching principles and guidelines. The Act has been instrumental in addressing environmental issues, promoting sustainable development, and ensuring compliance with international environmental commitments. Thank you.